And welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'll just tell you how to add Sonic Network to your Metamask wallet. So for this, this is the easiest way. For this, you have to go to chainlist.org, and here in the networks, you have to select Sonic, and you can see this Sonic mainnet. All you have to do is connect your wallet, and then there will be a prompt to add the network to your wallet. So just approve it and you are done. So if you go to Metamask, and you can say that you will be on the Sonic mainnet. Let's bridge some funds to Sonic Network. For this, I'm using dBridge Finance, and on their app, I'll select my funds right now is on a Base network. So I'll select Base, and it's in USD coin. And then I'll receive my funds. I have to receive my funds on Sonic. So I'll select Sonic, and instead of USDC, I'll be bridging my funds as Sonic token, because I'll be needing some of the tokens for gas as well. So let's bridge $1,000. And then I'll confirm the trade. All right, so usually it takes 5 to 10 seconds. And you can see the transaction has been broadcasted, and then I'll see that the orders have been fulfilled. All right, so it's done. Bridged our funds to Sonic. Let's add some liquidity to Shadow Exchange. Now I have selected Shadow Exchange because it is the dominant DEX on Sonic Network. It almost captures more than 60% of the volume and almost 80% of the trading fee on the network. So let's convert. So I'll be adding liquidity for S USDC pool, and all my funds is in S token. So what we'll do is I'll convert half of my S token in USDC. So we'll just do that. All right, now it's done. So we can go to liquidity, and then we'll search for SUSDC. So you can see this is the SUSDC pool, and we'll deposit our funds there. Now the DEX is a concentrated liquidity DEX. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that our funds are within the range. So we'll just do a wide, not just wide, we'll do passive. Even with passive, we have APR of 198, and the range is quite high. So let's just deposit. And while depositing, we have to make sure that we leave some of the Sonic for our future transactions. So yeah, so let's deposit it. All right, so it's done. So it shows my provided liquidity, and it will also show my unclaimed rewards here. So by this method, you will be earning some activity points for the future season 2 Sonic airdrop, and also you'll be earning some gem points from the Shadow Exchange itself. So yeah.